Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job.
Secured the bags. Let's go. Either I'm going crazy or these motherfucking Christmas trees wasn't here in Christmas time, but they look like they put them up for the New Year's. I'm fucking confused, Rosaros. They wasn't there at Christmas time, but now they're here for the New Year's. They must be New Year's trees. Or they just on trees. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Of course, we know that. $3 more, that will be 20. If I get $20 an hour for 4 hours, and I'm only out here, that's $100 I made in 4 hours. Man, what if I get that today? That'll make me want to stay out more and get on my grizzly for real. But I'm only out here for a little while. But I'm just throwing it in the air because after this, it might happen. I don't know. And I can put on my title, I made $100 in 4 hours doing DoorDashing. Happy New Year. So that 17 turned to 18 real quick. So I gotta go up there. That's my car right there. Gotta go up this back of this house. Okay. Hoping this the house. This is weird. Let's see. I think this is the house. This is the way they got the same car I got. This is the weirdest shit I've ever seen in my life. Hold on, y'all. Look. So, I'm riding. This is my car right there. I'm riding up the road. And I'm thinking this is the house and shit. They like, no, not this house. Not that house neither. But the house back there. That's where I just walked at. They get to their house. Shit is crazy. Rosario jumping off again. Let me get another one. That's a $9. That's a 9. Give me another one. Give me another one. So we might be off to a good start, y'all. When I was in the store, I got another order for $10. So, that's what? $40 already? RB, you killing me. Well, we starting off to a good fuck. Let me see. 3, 4. Now I gotta go inside the apartment and go all the way up to the 3rd floor. Now starting off good. Well, the password not working, but he said he gonna come and get it from me. Good. I ain't wanna go to the 3rd floor right now. We trying to get this hustle on. Hey, how you doing? It didn't work, my bad.
Look at it's Pam, not Star, it's Pam.
Oh, all right. All right, my man, you had a happy New Year. Thank you. Got that over with. I ain't feel like going up to the top floor anyway.
Door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Yeah, yeah. Now we on our way to Broadway Diner. This was $16 and some change. I don't remember how much, but I fucking thought I screenshot it so I could put it on the screen, but somehow it didn't screenshot it. Security been next. I be goddamn it, got another one on the way. $20. It's sad to say, but shit like this make me pissed off for the New Year's. And it's in the ghetto. $4. What makes you think I'm gonna do that? I'm up like 70 already. Come on. You ever see that? Still got the gun on him. light going on over here. I don't know what the fuck. Oh shit. We got another one. What's that? 2450, baby. Let's get it. That's where this light lasers are coming from. They must be having a party or something. Yeah, it's working like I planned. Let's get it. There you go, you little light beam. That shit like a laser. Phew. Oh, that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. So I get to the teriyaki spot, and she say, "Oh my God, we've been waiting on you." So I say, "Waiting on me? I mean, what you mean?" She like, "Oh, it's been sitting here forever." I'm like, "What the fuck? I just got here." I hate when they do that. Make it seem like I was taking forever or that I'm the reason why the food was late. Look at these buildings, like the houses. If you pay attention to my other videos, I've been showing some houses that's getting built now. I'm watching this building get built. Hello.
Hi,
You
thank you so much.
Food?
No, not long.
Oh, right, because when I got there, they was like, finally, you here. I'm like, what you mean? They was
Oh,
like,
no.
You ordered me waiting because I got sitting in a lot of dashes. Like,
Oh, must be. Yeah. No, I was waiting long. Thank you so much.
You have Happy New Year.
Have a great one.
Thank you. So I just got one for Chipotle and Mari Teriyaki for $15. Motherfucker. Police over there fucking with him. Now it's fucking pouring down, raining out here.